unboxing Sanchar desk camera. Today we are presenting SDC-01 Sanchar dash camera. First we open the box. See the instruction manual. This is camera safety cover. And this is a SDC-01 dash camera. Remove accessories, safety cover and wooden cover. This is GPS for dash camera. We can place here the GPS device like this. This gumming sheet for pasting camera on vehicle. This is car charger. Screws. And back camera with all supporting wires. This is back camera supporting cable. We can put this cable jack into upper side of GPS or slot. Attached another and into the back camera cable and point like this. Put USB cable in car charger for power and put another and of the same cable into dash camera. How to install? We can place here the GPS device like this. Peel off this gumming sheet and paste on your car glass like this. We have already explained in the first part of the video how to connect. This is back rear camera. Camera menu. This is menu button. Click and select the available option with the help of right arrow button. Click OK and then back. This is Wi-Fi menu button. See Wi-Fi is off. Click Wi-Fi button. These left and right buttons are selector buttons. Press OK and press back button. Wi-Fi is on. You can see the Wi-Fi details on your device screen. This button is for flipping the camera. When we click on it, the screen flips. See, this is back camera view. This is front camera view. On this main screen, this is back camera view and this is front camera view. This is mute button. Press this button for mute audio while video recording. Press again this button for unmute video recording. Press this button for lock and unlock file. Contact your nearest Sanchar representative and follow us on